evening everyone, my name is Advait. I am studying in 3rd class. My character is Bharata.
Good evening everyone, my name is Vamshul. I am studying in 3rd Ramanujan. My character is Rama.
Good morning everyone, my name is Shriyans. I am studying in 3rd class. My character is Vasishta. Brother, Rama, you are the correct person to rule Ayodhya. So please return to Ayodhya.
It is my duty to follow our father's order, so I can't come back to Ayodhya. Dear Bharata,
I live in forest in place of you. Please return to Ayodhya, my brother.
no, we should respect our father's wish and we cannot change our father's decision.
Dear Rama, Dear Rama, please grant players of Bharata.
Namaskar Gurudeva. Then what about my father's promise and command?
My brother Rama has no worry about me. Dear Bharata,
First class, other class friend.
Dear Bharata, you.
Start.
Dear Bharata, please.
First class Ramanujan friend.
Start.
Dear Bharata, you rule Ayodhya as deputy, Rama's deputy. Sure, Gurudeva, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.